Toto. I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.
I'm on the bus again. Now I have to adjust for the outside light. And let's show you up real bright on here, but we're snaking our way down the hill into the valley here with our excellent driver Thomas doing a great job at the. I might change a bad head pretty soon. Maybe not. I think we only have one stop. It's just like a scenic stop, and then it's back to the room, and then dinner time. Okay. Well, we're at a little windy stop on our way to San Moritz, and I'm going to take a picture to get the latitude and longitude of what this valley is. There's a lake over here, and yeah, it's a little windy. I got to hold the camera close to my mouth so you can hear me, and I'm going to see what's shaking up here. It's a little bit of a bench. And yeah, we got a nice little lake here. Still got some snow up in the hills up there. A nice sunny day. Water looks close to the shore here, actually quite clear. So I don't see a dam here. Looks like it might just be a lake. And we got some wildflowers down here. If you look down here, there's a bunch of wildflowers down there, all purples, like blues and yellows and everything. And there's the road. There's a windy road coming up here. There's more wildflowers over there too. So not too windy right now. A little wind, but not bad. The Shadow Man making an appearance. There he is, Shadow Man. All right. He's here every time. We got all these rocks here too. I don't know why they're here, if they're positioned here or just wound up here. I don't know. But we'll see if I can do like Outlander. Maybe if I get here, but I don't have that special stone that they wear around their neck, and a lot of moss growing on here. So a little pathway here. Down in the stones. Try to do an Outlander. Yeah, there's a stone over there with a red mark on it. I don't know what that is. Some kind of marking or something. But yeah, we're getting that breeze here. We see all those stones. Don't know what the deal is there. Some kind of plants down here. Looks like spinach. Looks like spinach, so it must be wet down there, maybe. I don't know. All right. Right there. Okay, coming down. There's a flag flying. We're in Sweden, all right, that's for sure. So there it is. Breezy up here, like I said. Okay.